there's also a hit and miss aspect to this coastal impact of this storm. One area that could take a big hit is Cape Cod. Our Mary Saladna is live in Sandwich. And Mary, the eastern part of that town particularly vulnerable?
Yeah, that's right, Phil. You know, coastal residents know it's all about wave energy and wind direction. And this time, those northerly winds will be driving directly here at East Sandwich Beach.
It's got a 165-mile-an-hour wind rating.
Carol and John Burnham are buying a new roof, an aluminum one, because they've lost too many shingles to count.
We've had it repaired 6 or 8 times this year. The winds are so high that they go hitting our other house, and in daylight you can see black streaks on that house. I mean, where the shingles hit. God forbid if it hit anyone.
Residents along East Sandwich Beach always take a pounding. This time they're bracing for 50 to 60 mile-an-hour sustained winds with gusts of 60 to 70. The Burnhams know they'll wind up relying on this generator.
We lost power for 36 hours last storm. We lost power for a few hours, I think, the storm before that.
But you're expecting you will lose power this time, too.
I guarantee it.
But the growing concern has been how close the Atlantic has been creeping up in recent storms. Waves crashing onto the Burnhams boardwalk, the storm's surge reaching the driveway beyond the house.
How much dune did we lose last time?
About 30 feet. And the last big storm was the first time ever that the storm surge sort of breached this dune and rushed into the back driveway. The Burnhams are expecting that could happen again this Sunday morning at high tide. We'll have to wait and see. Live in East Sandwich Beach, I'm Mary Saladna, WCVB News Center 5.